about what is GitHub Copilot, how it works, how to install it in your local code editor, and a small demo how this can help you to make your life easier. What is GitHub Copilot? Well, you can open this web page. GitHub Copilot is an AI paid programming tool provided by GitHub. It uses OpenAI Codex to suggest code and enter functions in real time, right from your editor. There are so many editor options like VS Code, IntelliJ, Sublime. You just need to go to the extensions of the editor and search for the GitHub Copilot and just install it and request for the activation. Once it gets activated, you can get started. The next question is it free? Yes, absolutely. If you are a student, open source contributor, or a working professional, you just need to raise a request for the first time. Once your request gets activated, you will get an email saying your GitHub Copilot is activated. So from then, the next 60 days is free of cost. You will get very good suggestions. If you wish to use, you can use it from your editor. Once your 60 days of free trial period is done, then you have to pay $10 per month to activate this extension. You can see now I'm clicking on the Get Pilot. I am already subscribed to this model. So now you can see my dashboard. My current monthly bill is $10 and my next payment due is February. So I love this product, so I activated it. Let's get into action. I can explain you how to install this plugin into your VS Code editor. Let's go. I'm opening my VS Code editor. This is how it looks. Okay, let's close this. You just need to click on the extensions and then search for the GitHub Copilot. Well, it's giving you list of options. You just need to click on the GitHub Copilot. It's already been installed in my machine. That's why it's showing uninstall. But for you, it will show you install. Once you install this plugin, here it's loading actually, but you can find a symbol over here of GitHub Copilot. Finally, it's a demo time. I can make your div center using HTML, CSS. It's a simple project, but you can see how powerful GitHub Copilot is. And it's a coding time too. Let's head over to VS Code. Well, this is my coding editor. I am already in the centering div project. I'm going to create one HTML file, index.html, and then we need HTML5 project. So I'm just making it HTML5. Then I need one HTML. See, I haven't done anything, I just added HTML tag to it and GitHub Copilot is activated already. So it's giving me suggestions. If you want that suggestion, you just need to press tab. That's all. See, it's giving you the closing tag as well. And then I entered, I haven't done anything. As it's identified HTML file, it started giving me suggestions. Well, my HTML is done. Let's modify a little bit. Micro 1 first time web page. Okay, my first micro 1 application. Okay, and in the paragraph, GitHub Copilot demo. Right? Let's see whether it works or not. I already installed the Go Live extension. I'm just clicking on it. Well, it's working. Then let's merge these two for our easiness. We'll just make this center. But yeah, it'll pale and there is no color and all. Let's add some colors to it. Let's create one CSS file. And let's link this CSS. See, even for linking, I just need to write link. I haven't done anything, right? It identified the style.css file is there and it started giving me suggestions. I just need to press tab. Done. Linking is done. Now let's head over to CSS. Let's make our website looks better. For commenting, we just need to use /*. I will just write body background red, text color should be white. It gave. See how simple it is. And then let's save this. Let's see whether it works. Yeah, it's working fine. Perfect. And then we have a division. Have you added a division here? No. Let's make a division. And let's put this code inside this. Right? And let's add a class to it. Right, centered. I want to make this vertically, horizontally center. And let's write a comment saying class to be center a div vertically, horizontally from viewport. Done. Right, but the thing is here it's center, here we have given centered. So these small things we need to observe and modify. These things GitHub Copilot can't do it. I just see it's done. When you save this, when you reload this, it's vertically, horizontally centered, as well as the background color is red, right? Website is looking a little simpler. I would like to add some bouncing animation to the center text. Let's add some animation. Bounce animation. It instantly gave the keyframes, and I just need to add the animation to it. Animation. Bounce. Yeah, it's done. It started bouncing as well, right? Congratulations, successfully completed how to use GitHub Copilot.